Hello, welcome to the Advanced Search Training Module. This training module is designed to help you and your organization get the most out of your data within PhoneBurner by helping you understand all of your options when it comes to the advanced search feature and functionality in PhoneBurner. This training module is divided up into two different sections. The first section is the What are your options section. This section here is divided up into multiple steps, essentially walking you through all of the different sections or pieces of the advanced search menu. Here I'll walk you through each of these sections so that you can understand what your options are when searching for specific information in your PhoneBurner account. The second section is called Connecting the Dots. This section is all about taking what we learned in the first section and applying it to help you build a systematic way of working through your data. Again, with the main goal of this being to help you and your organization get the most out of your data, to simplify your lives, and really just to help you get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. I hope you'll take the time to go through each of the videos within this training because they all build on each other. However, I know you're not going to be able to watch every video all at once. And so as you're going through this training module, you'll see the option to mark each step as completed. Once you do that, the system will remember which steps you've completed and which steps you haven't. So the next time you come back here, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. Anyway, thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy learning all about the advanced search functionality within the PhoneBurner system. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.